Hey guys, Neil here. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to craft a BarnBQ Grill. Probably why I decided to craft this one is because I think it's an investment. It generates good amount of profit when you cook slabs on this one, and I can just sell it if I don't need it anymore. Yeah, let's get started, guys. By the way, this is not my spec. This is Shoma Beats spec. Shout out to him for designing this spec really good. He has a lot of storage as well, so yeah, I think this is a good spec. But going to my spec, I don't have anything at all. So this is how my spec looks like. I was thinking to make a barbecue grill again because it generates a good amount of profit, and I have already crafted all the materials. So yes, let's go over the ingredients first. So what you can do is access pixels.tips, click on market, type in barn, and then from here you can see Barney's barbecue kit. You just need to click on it, and then here you can see the ingredients. You can craft this in the Ministry of Innovation. Normally you won't see this right away because you need to buy it first. You need to click this browse innovations, and then from here you can buy a blueprint for a specific industry. So what I did here is buy this Barney's barbecue blueprint and then click it to my avatar, and that is when I was able to see the BarnBQ kit. Before we craft this, if you are looking to level up your earnings in Pixels and other supported games, you probably want to watch this video.
Rent Pixels lands to maximize your performance. At LootRush, you can try over 1,000 crypto games while keeping the loot. Some special benefits of land renters: producing potato seeds, cut wood from the land trees, make flour using windmills, optimize energy production using BarnBQ and dry maple. Get additional pixel tasks on the task board. Rent your own Pixels land with LootRush now.
So yes, going back to the video, guys. For now, let's focus over the ingredients and how you can save tons of coins before crafting it. Right now, you can see here that when you sell this one, you have a potential profit of around 30,000 coins. Now, if you actually buy this, that just means that you gave the 30,000 coins profit to the seller who created this one. So I checked the ingredients and I only crafted the ones that have good profit per energy. The reason why is for me to save more coins rather than just buying all the materials here. So for Ionite bar, I crafted this one, and that saved me around 600 coins for 12 of these. For wooden beam, I just bought this one because if I craft it, I will have negative profit. Plaster, this is one of the ingredients that hurt a lot because the ingredients are very expensive. So again, we need 12 of these, and to get 12 of these, you actually need 12 of construction powder, 36 of fiber, and the glue, which is very expensive given that sap is rare, and it costs a lot of coins for you to create glue. So I have crafted all of this except the fiber. For construction powder, you can get this when you are level 5 in Granger. If you want to make it fast, then you can level up first and then have like around level 13 Granger, and then from there you can craft 12 of this construction powder in one go. What I did is crafted 24 of these and sold 9 since I don't need the rest. You also need the 4-leaf clover. For this, I just bought it from the marketplace. We need 3 of construction powder. Again, I crafted 24 of these. The 12 I have used to craft plaster. The other 3 is for the recipe itself. 9 of the construction powder I have sold for a profit. Now for the last one is the crafting mix. You can just buy this from Hazel. It's very cheap. It's around 100 coins. And yeah, that's all for the ingredients, guys. I think the hardest one to get is plaster. It's very expensive and the recipes need to be crafted as well. So once you have all the materials needed, you can head over to Terravilla. Again, guys, I don't have any grill yet. I want to place it somewhere here. I have checked pixel.tips. It actually requires around 500 energy. So we're gonna get some energy first and then drink all of those. Okay, and going back here, click on Barney's barbecue kit. But yes, I think it's worth it. I have spent a lot of coins to buy this. But yes, this video will actually help you save some coins before crafting this. Again, you can craft the rest, but those that have negative potential profit, you can just buy those so you can save some energy and save some coins. Probably the total cost is around 320k to 330k coins. That's still a big discount compared to just buying it from the marketplace. So I hope I was able to help you guys regarding barbecue kit, and probably in chapter 2, once we have the spec upgrade, I will be able to make more for me to put on my spec. So yes, I guess that's just all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.